Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they sent me a picture of the cup, and you can see that it just obliterated the Rosetown wordage. It's because you think it's a hairline, but it's not a hairline. It is a thick line, and if we pick on it, you got several outlines. So we're going to go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. Don't really have to do this, but I was going to show you. If I try to grab that outer line, there's actually another line in there that is a half a point. And if we select this, there's another half point. So the only thing I know you can do is just select everything and right click on your mouse, no outline. Now it should work perfectly good. It's a really clean, good file. You know, you had something really clean to work with. This would be very easily this is a very easy one to draw because it's all broken up into pieces and you could change it quite a bit. Anyway, so when you're engraving, anything above a hairline is going to engrave, so it's going to make that Rosetown quite small. Now, if you're still concerned, you could make that a little bit bigger, thicker font, but it won't be that exact font. I don't know what that font is. Yes, you've already converted to a curve. And anyway, so after that, you've got really sharp, crisp lines. So that should work. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.